Okay. Okay. Hello. Assalamu alaikum, students. I hope you can hear me. This is 107. Almost. I'm just going to share my screen also. Uh, if any one of you has any issues regarding the assignment, any downloading issues, or any software issues, you can ask in the conversation window. Sir Bilal is answering there. And as far as what I will be doing, I'm just waiting for like 2 3 minutes. I will share my screen. I have approximately 88 people who have actually submitted the assignment. In this 88, there are some zip files and some problems over here. Uh, Roll number 23, you have submitted me the wrong Word file. It can't be open, so please verify it over there. Those who have submitted the zip file, I will unzip them and see if it is correct. I have over here only 88 files over here, including the wrong ones. So um, those who are still uploading, I have only taken up till 102. Those who are late and those who have submitted at 16, 18, and all that stuff. Please, this assignment by Muawiyah Adil. You have not written your roll number, please, beta, in the assignment. Sorry, the PCB doc file. I have all the PCB doc files with me at present, and okay, so I'm going to just being random over here, which means I will be actually selecting out of these 88. Maybe I will try to discuss all the files at least, but maybe the time is not there. I will be discussing I will just discuss like 20 25 of them over here, point out the problems over here, what we have done over here, what are the problems in each of the PCB over here. Meanwhile, if you have any issues, please write down in the conversation window. Sir Bilal is actually answering you over here. And this lecture is also being recorded, so don't worry on that effect. Even if you miss some part, it's being screen recorded at my end. So at the end, I will again upload them on the YouTube channel. And you're already familiar with this one. Okay, so if I now start sharing my screen over here, I'm sharing my screen better. Don't worry on that part. I have my whole screen shared with you. Uh, Okay, I hope the screen is being shared. It is being recorded. Yes, it's being recorded. It's confirmed it's being recorded. I'm just confirming it. I'm recording it at my end, so there will be no delay in the voice and the video. So, better we can't extend the time of the submission. You can submit it late, but now I have only taken all the assignments up till 1 p.m. approximately 102. That's the point I actually downloaded it. So those who even have submitted at after 102, the last assignment was by Halima Talat, roll number 103. Afterwards, those who have submitted this Talha Afzal, Muawiyah Adil, you have not given me the roll number, and then I have roll number 36. These three assignments I will see at the end what I can do, if I can consider them, because they have just been before this one. There is just now another one by roll number 151. So, okay, so since the assignment was given to you, uh, I'm now going to select some assignments over here. Okay, since they are arranged according to their modified, I will start from the below. The first assignment was submitted by Hassan Mohyuddin. I hope you are listening and you are online at present. So if I open this assignment of yours over here, and just opening this PCB doc file of yours over here. Okay. Uh, You have shown over here the vias. I hope everyone can see this screen. Everyone can see the mistakes I'm going to point out, or if it is the good one. The headers over here are okay. The distance between the tracks are okay. If I just zoom in over here, this seems a little good. The currents are all, I guess you can make this patch a little more because this is, but then anyway, it's still correct, not that big a problem over there. Even if this is an LED, the resistor you have used is a little bit fun, but okay, anyway, this is still correct. This is the 5-volt line, so the 5-volt line is connected with the this one. This is a small jumper over there. Let me just confirm what is the pad size you have taken. Yes, it's 2 mm, it's correct over here. So this seems relatively okay. These ones, the vias which we have shown by the red color is seems okay, not that big. Achha, one thing very important over here for those who are still making in the process, or those even who have submitted, it's not just a practice which I want to add up over here. Whenever you have this pad, something like this, please add a small rectangular or a square area over here. Now, what is the advantage of this? Advantage is this, that whenever you are going to make this PCB and you are going to solder it, if it's going to be just a circular pad over there, and if you have some space over there, when you are going to put that soldering iron a lot on that pad, the quality of the PCB is not good, and you make it on a bakelite sheet, this pad will be eroded off. If you will give it more heat, it will be eroded, just like your Vero boards if you have been working on. So this is very important that you make this rectangular pads over there. But what I mean, actually, I am asking for this pad over here at this point, so that, and similarly you can make a pad over here. In this way you are actually increasing the copper area. The current may not be that much, it can still be handled from that circular region, but the advantage is this, that even if you put a soldering iron for a longer time, it will not be destroyed over there. It will take some time for it. So just for the longevity of your circuit, and this one, the size of this one is still within limits. I hope this is 119.1 mm over here, and this is 86.927 from here. So this seems a little bit okay. In fact, I guess this is quite good over here. By the name is also there, the session I have so is also there. This is 19B, and this is Hassan Muhyiddin. You have done a good job, I guess, and it seems okay, unless or otherwise you have made some net mistakes. I'm not going to go through them, but overall, yes, this tracks are a little closer, but still, I guess they can be made. If you are a little expert in all that stuff, you can make this PCB. Okay, from the professional point of view, this area where the mouse is hovering at present, I hope you can see the mouse. This area, which I can zoom it a little also, this area is empty. So practically, this is not a good design practice, that you cannot actually make something like this over here. So avoid this design area. Overall, since this is your first assignment and you have done it a pretty good thing, so this seems good. So I guess full marks for you, Hassan Muhyiddin, roll number 73. So this is good from your side. Okay, so we will see after it. With those who have submitted it, we can edit it or not afterwards. Okay, now I'm going to go towards the next assignment. This one was actually, the date modified is actually gone back. So now, okay, let me, some 15 has gone up. Okay, okay, next one, Mia Nomi, roll number 166. Your assignment, I'm opening it in front of me. I'm just going to take it haphazard. 88 assignments, I can't discuss it over here. This is not center aligned, but anyway, still, this is okay. The size is sorry, beta, you have gone beyond the size. You have 132 mm. This is wrong. You cannot go beyond. I gave you a size, I guess. Bilal, correct me if I'm wrong. I asked you a size of, I guess, 100 cross 120 or something like that, and these are quite a lot of vertical or horizontal lines over here in this area. Yes, the distance is correct, but this area, what I am asking you, this area, this rectangular area which I have marked with my mouse at present, this area is actually wastage, because you are just making the wires go up and down. So you have to do, you have to take all of these components, slide them over here. This can reduce the size very easily. So it was not difficult for you to actually make it. And if you see this also, this track over here on this sense, why this is actually going over here and then going like this, you can make this very simply over here. You can just delete it, you can just delete this, you can just delete this, and from here you can actually make it very simply connected like this. So by the use of taking the space over here, plus again one thing very important over here, just want to discuss it. uh, this is quite close to it over there, so avoid it. As I told you, you have to make some rectangular area so that it is easy for soldering part or something like that. That will be easy. Current is not that important stuff over here because this is still milliamperes current or microamperes current, so not milli actually. For the base current it may be a little bit, but overall the PCB is violating the size limit over here, and it's also having a lot of junk space. No need of actually making this G Group 82, Noman and Khalid. You have actually made it very big names over here. No need of doing that. You have not written your roll numbers beta on this PCB. The VCC connector. So one thing very important over here, which I want to highlight. If you see this VCC, you have made this a large rectangular block connector. But as you are going to move this current over here towards this IC, and then from here it's going on. Now the point over here is it here, this is a large connector which can handle a large current, but here the track is very small, so the resistance of this track is going to be very large. So after then you are taking a large one. What's the point of having the small one? So increase this distance over here, uh, this one, so that or maybe make a small jumper from this point to this point, because the major current is the one that is flowing over here at this point towards this resistances over there. So certainly this is going to be very easy over here. You can have a jumper over here at this point. uh, Overall, the next thing, there is something placement over here in this area. That's why whenever I make it zoom or zoom out, it's not having. The jumpers are okay, that is fine. This one is a little closer to this one. They should be equidistant from each other, so that this is something like this. And overall it seems okay. uh, this one's okay, this one seems okay. Where is the header pin? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, this one is the dot pin over there, and you have not added the. Okay, you have not added the. What are the things? These dot switches or the bit switches over here. I don't know why. So this is one problem we have done over here. The size is also not good. So please correct this one over here. And also one thing, again pointing out the same thing, whenever you are doing something like this, please increase it, this pad size over here from here to here. So it's something over here. So this is something like this. Now you can see this can be drilled easily, even if you have a little bit swaying away from the area. So this is one assignment over here. Okay, moving on towards the next one. We can go on towards the Hamza Akhtar assignment, roll number 12. I hope he's present at in the lab session at present. Um, okay, this is the assignment over here. Okay, the size marcation is 106 by 87. This seems okay. Sorry beta, this is not right. You have taken these vias over here which are very small in size. I asked you that they should be minimum 2 mm. You have taken a size of 1.27 mm. So this is not correct. You cannot have it. And if one thing very important, when I'm going to make it 2 mm, as you can see over here, this will actually disrupt with this one. So you will have to actually adjust a lot in this PCB. Maybe move this all a little up and down. So all the wires which you have used, they are totally wrong. So this is not acceptable, Hamza Akhtar. And one thing more in this PCB, this this one is very close to this one. So what's the use of actually having this one over here? You can make this one like this and make this one like this, and there is no use of making it like this. You can take it directly over here. So this one, you can take it directly from here. So no need of actually making it just very close to it over there. Similarly, again the same thing. You can have this rectangular pad attached over here. So in this way you have this one. So this one, please avoid such turns over here. Over here what you have done, you are very close to this pad. As you are seeing it, you are very close to this pad. So the problem is this, that you are going to have this problem. So to avoid it over here, and then you can actually add the track over there, because when you reach very close to it, you have a chances, because maybe your drill is not exactly at this green color point, it is a little above here, then you can actually have your solder. Plus having it very close the track over there, this problem would be that maybe while etching you are having some little bit residue over there, and then it will be problematic for you. As far as the current is concerned, yes, this seems okay. You have made a very good over here. The resistances are there also effective over there. Your name is also there. Overall, the assignment seems okay. The LED is also there and all that stuff is also, but the only problem is that the wires are not correct. And as far as the junk space is concerned, yes, there is a junk space over here where my mouse is actually pointing out at present. This area is still as junky over there, but still again this is a name over there, so we can take it not that much. Again, the problem of the tracks is very close to the pad. You can see you are just making this pin number 3 and pin number 5 sorted out together, and you are very close to pin number 4. So pin number 4 was an open pin, which means a no connect pin, or NC pin we call normally in electronics. Whenever the pin is not connected to anything, then we call it as a no connect pin, or NC pin. So you can see this is again very close to pin number 1 and pin number 2. The space is there. You can actually make this one very close to each other. So I'm just deleting this one for you. So let me just okay, this is deleted, this is deleted. Let me just see. I'm just going to make it so this is, it's simple. You can see I've just not made anything. I've just used the, and since maybe the track may not be enough, so what I have added a small rectangular area. So you can see, so whoever was this name, this was Hamza Akhtar, I guess the name was. So please rectify this wires mistake over there. The wires and the pad size minimum, I told you this should be 2 mm. Otherwise the limits are okay. Overall this seems okay. So Hamza Akhtar, roll number 12, your assignment seems okay. Okay, now if I go on towards some other assignments over here, I'm not going to go periodically. I actually want to go towards almost all of them. So let me just take out this roll number 21, WWE lover. I don't know, you love WWE that much, or anyway. Okay, this is totally wrong, beta. I don't know your name at present. Yes, this is Abdul Rahman. We just wrote it over here. The size is extraordinarily large, and if I mark the dimensions over here, the dimensions, if I mark them over here from this point to this point, and you have not converted even into its mil to millimeter. So the first thing, board options, I will go on, change it to metric, and this is 145 mm. So this is totally unacceptable. And the worst of the worst problems over here, the width is also it's 97, it's still okay. Your 7 segments have a distance in between them. This is not acceptable. The 7 segments should not have any spacing between each other. When you are going to write down supposedly 1 2 3 4 on this one, you don't have a space in between. These all 4 should be additive. Plus one big problem, this junk space over here, this is again a junk space over here. Plus you have not taken into control the VCC. So VCC from here at this point, when it is going towards this bit connector over here, or it's going to this pin, and then it's going to go from here to this point over here, this should be a large connector, by which I mean that this line, for those who are still having no idea what I'm actually talking about, I'm actually talking about this one. So in this way you can actually have the area increased of this pad. You can just align it by using this mouse hovering over here. So you have to increase this distance, this thickness of this one, because this is going to take a large current over there. Not very large current, but still just for the next PCBs to come on, you will require this to happen. So these ones, this is still no meaning, because you have so much space in between them. This is not acceptable. So this is a rejected PCB overall. So rule number 21, we will be returning you this file. You will have to submit it again. So all the problems I am pointing out to all the groups, please make this sure that everyone is uh, we will tell you the deadline limit afterwards, after this lab is over. So Bilal will actually tell you on that one. And then we going on towards, let me just go on towards Muhammad Numan Qayyum, roll number 30. So I'm just doing this one. I'm opening this one. Okay, this is again a mess over here. Why a mess over here? Because you have not taken, the tracks are so close somewhere, then there is junk space. Plus, there are so many wires. Why there are so many wires? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is just in over there, then there is 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, these are just the VCC connections. Even if you don't do it, then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you are almost like 18 wires or 17 wires over here. There's a 2 more over here. So, and plus these are again parallel lines, and you have not made these parallel lines or tracks very close to each other. So this is again a problem. You have space over there, why you are going to come close to each other. Plus, if you see this area over here, which I am going to zoom in, this area very close to each other. You have space over here. You can make them a little apart over here like this. This one is this one can be made like this. You have a space over here. You can take the edges a little bit more. Don't have orthogonal edges. This is very important. But by what I mean, whenever you are building a track, do not make a wire like this, which means 90-degree angle. Whenever you want to make it, please make it something, this one. The point is over here is this, because when the current is going to travel over here at 90 degrees at this edge, there will be a capacitance and inductance for parasitic capacitances over there. Secondly, this track resistance changes over here. So, but the advantage of making it something like this as a transition, you are actually having the same track area over there. So the resistance is not changing over there. So this is very important. Please avoid this orthogonal 90-degree cuts over there. So you can see I have just done a little bit alignment. So they seem a little bit now okay. Again, the problem over here being discussed over here, as I have told you, this pad is just down and you are connecting with this. How you are going to connect it? This cannot be connected because this is an IC leg. If you want to actually connect it, so what you can do over here, I hope the owner of this PCB is actually listening at present. So you are going to first of all make it here, then place maybe a pad here, and then maybe a pad or wire here, and then you can take off this one. Why under the IC? Because if you are going to solder the IC directly, you cannot make that connection from down. So you can make this again 2 mm, and this is going to be 2 mm, this is going to be 2 mm over here. Now when we have made it 2 mm, this becomes very close to each over there. So it's totally up to you how you are going to manage this area. But still, anyway, this is the only way you can. Plus this track, you can see this is very close to it over there. So you have to make this okay, this is the bottom layer over here like this one is over here like this. So something like this over here. There is no border line also made for this PCB. The VCC tracks, this one is the VCC out, or the 5-volt regulator line. You have not made it thick wire over here. The size is 88.
क्वेश्चन सर क्वेश्चन
जी जी बेटा बोलिए. नोमान कयूम कौन है? आप नोमान कयूम बात कर रहे हैं?
नो सर, मैं रोल नंबर 115 बात कर रहा हूँ.
जी बताइए बेटा.
सर जब हम राउटिंग करते हैं और राउटिंग के रिजल्ट्स आते हैं
जी,
और राउटिंग के रिजल्ट्स के सबसे एंड पे कंटेंशन भी बताता है कि कितनी है
जी.
अगर हमने उन कंटेंशंस को खत्म कर लिया मैनुअली राउट करके, तो दोबारा नहीं वो बताता कि कितनी कंटेंशंस रह गई हैं. क्या हम ये चेक कर सकते हैं कि कितनी कंटेंशंस रह गई हैं या फिर खत्म हो गई हैं?
If you are mixing your manual routing with auto routing, the software cannot tell it. If you stick on to manual auto routing, then you cannot do it. The software does not do it. Software says if you want to go by my word, then you have to stick to that word. If you do it manual routing, software will not tell you. I guess these PCBs are very small, so you're not going to have any problems overall. because the number of the tracks are not that much, the number of nets are not that much. So practically you can't do that. The manual routing has to be, if you're doing manual routing, you will have to take a check on this one. Okay. As far as this PCB is concerned, Noman Qayyum, if you are online at present, please, this has to be submitted again. There are a lot of wires. The VCC track has not been made thick over here. And secondly, the border line is also not made, and this is a size limitation also. You have made it 133 so this is not accepted. Please reduce the size from this end so that it can reduce down to 120 by 100. Please remember, students, that you have to reduce the size for the next PCB. Again, the size limitation, the next assignment which we'll be giving today, is going to be 120 by again 100. So when you are going to make that PCB, afterwards in the next third assignment, you are going to be given a little less size more. So please have this habit. In the very first PCB, we have not given that much size constraint, but as this will progress, we will make this sure that the PCBs are very small. Okay, let's go on to some other PCBs over here. This is roll number 124 Ego. I have been getting his messages a lot. I'm just going to see his PCB, but he is there. I don't know your full name. Okay, there is a problem in your design, or let me just check. Okay, what you have done over here. Actually, you are using a little off version from your PCB. Now, okay. Sorry, beta, this is not accepted. You have only used 20 mil. 20 mil is not acceptable. Why? Because this is how much? Let me just check it on. It's only 0.508 mm. The tracks are very small. Sorry, beta, this is not accepted. You have used very thick ones over here. Well and good, no problem. You have used this one as 0.762. This one you have used very small, so that you have congested all the PCB tracks over here. Plus the let me just zoom in over there. Here in this space, this is VCC, this is correct, this is no issue. Over there, this one is correct, this one is correct. This area where you have used very small tracks, please increase it. This is very small size, 0.5 mm. Will maybe not be suited for this much current you are using. At least 0.7, at least 0.7 or 0.8, I guess this was the given value by Sir Bilal also. The PCB 1245, I don't know how you have named it. The VCC tracks are good. You have made it quite good over there. The bit buttons are also good over there. This I don't know what is this. This is a block connector, I guess, over here. VCC. You have placed it very close to it over there. One thing very important. This is very close. So when this is going to be connected over there, you have not attached any capacitor even. Please, this is a very small capacitor over there. This is one issue. Maybe the space is not going to be there, and if you see these tracks, they are slanting and they are very close to each other. I hope you can rectify this a little. Maybe push this IC a little up over there so these are not slanting over here somehow. But overall, it's a good PCB. I can't say that this is a bad one, but the tracks are over here are very small. You have to edit it again so that it's over there. Plus, junk space is here a lot.
आपकी बात कर प्लीज अपनी बात रिपीट कर दें and I use 27 mil as described by you.
27 मिल नहीं है बेटा, ये आपके सामने है, ये आपके सामने है.
Actually sir, this is the wrong design. Sir, I'm sorry, this is the wrong design. I had to upload new one. I updated my PCB. Sorry, I uploaded the wrong design. I'll re-upload it again. This is the wrong design.
Chalo, okay. So let's go on to another one, and please everyone, please listen, this is very important. And one thing very important, whoever assignment I am opening, please open your mic and be with me if you think there is some problem and you want to ask any questions. So if any roll number is there and you want to actually ask me. Okay, Fizan Rafiq, roll number 121, if you are online, please unmute your mic so that you can answer any questions or whatever. Okay, this is wrong, beta. You have a lot of contentions over here. You can see the two tracks are, you just submitted the assignment and you have not removed any contentions over here. Plus, what is this? They are not even in line over there. At least the aesthetic is this, that they should be in line. You can connect these two very easily over here. So we can actually have it something like this. This is a block connector. Even if you are using it, you can actually have it uh, something like this over there. But already there are so contentions. The tracks are crisscrossing each other. So this is not a good PCB. And certainly here in this area, you have congested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 tracks, or in fact 3 or more over here, 12 tracks over here. This is totally not acceptable. Totally not acceptable. When you're going to make this PCB even by the toner transfer method or even by any UV method, this is going to create a lot of problems. And as I just mentioned in the previous PCBs over here, this one is very close. This one is also very close. This one is also very close. So this is very close. Please at least have between the tracks at least a distance of 0.3 or 0.25 or at least 0.3 mm, so that you can actually have. Plus there are contentions error again here or there. You can see you are making this wire move from here to here, and this is crisscrossing over here. So this is totally wrong over here. Plus you can see when you're moving this track, please, one thing again, I'm repeating it again and again, when you are moving this track, please make it something like this. And one thing very important, since you are slanting it, the problem actually becomes more huge. So what I'm going to do over here, let's just see this one. I've just deleted the track and I'm making a track myself. So this is how you are actually going to. So what I've done, I've made two not 90 but angular cuts over here, and this seems okay. Now I have a little space for this track to be moved a little also. So now I can move this one here, and so you can see now this seems a little okay, but still it's very close to this one. But anyway, there are a lot of problems in this PCB. So Faizan, I guess the name is Faizan Rafiq. Please correct this PCB plus your size. जी बेटा, Faizan Rafiq. Is Faizan Rafiq online?
नहीं सर, हसन बात कर रहा हूं सर।
जी बेटा बताइए।
सर एक तो आपकी आवाज़ क्लियर नहीं है और दूसरा इसकी रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं करनी है आपने इस लेक्चर।
जी बेटा, मैं रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है इस वक्त, वो एट माय एंड हो रही है, इट्स वर्किंग एट माय एंड. I'm not using the Microsoft MS Teams recording, so don't worry on that
Sir,
one.
I need to ask another question.
जी बेटा.
Sir, you showed my PCB before, for example. So,
Okay.
sir, I have made solved the
Please, other persons.
problem, and I have used the correct least measurement as prescribed by you, but the design is more or less the same.
I can't
I
understand.
have solved the congestion, I have solved the width issue, and what else is the issue?
I told you, you are roll number 124. Are you roll number 124?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if I'm again going to open your PCB, I just told you, please, whenever I told you this is, you told me this is not the exact design. अभी आपने बताया था मुझे. So you have not used the tracks over here of the.
Sir, आपकी आवाज कट रही है, I can't understand you.
I am saying it that you are not using the right track width over here. The width of your track over here is 0.508 mm. So you will not use the correct width over here. These tracks are very small, and when you are going to make them by toner transfer method or maybe any other method, आप इसके ऊपर ज़रा सा कोई रेगमाल मारोगे या कोई ज़रा सा आप इसके ऊपर मे बी a little concentrated ferric chloride, it will be down and dusted. It will break off the contact over here. ठीक है?
बिल्कुल अटक रही है, आवाज से आ ही नहीं।
बेटा, this must be issue on your end. Bilal, please verify this one. I hope so. This is only an issue on some students' end. Please verify your speedtest.com.
Sir, can I have your permission to share my screen? I want to show my PCB to you, so you can view.
You can send me. You can send me the email just now. I will download it. Okay? You can just send me the email just now. Send me the email. I will just have a look at it. Please, those who are there, please cut off your mics when you are not listening. I hope this is clear. I don't know why
सर आवाज नहीं आ रही.
आवाज
Sir,
नहीं
can I
आ रही.
send it to you now, sir, on your email?
Not just send
It's
me on
not
my
clear, sir.
email.
आवाज नहीं आ रही है आपकी.
Okay. Just let me check by the speed test. Maybe there is an issue from my side
सर
also.
स्क्रीन शेयर बंद करके करें, क्या पता अपलोड स्पीड की वजह से आ रही हो.
Maybe I guess this is one issue. Let me just yes, the speed is an issue over here. Anyway, sir, let me just
सर स्क्रीन शेयर सर कुछ देर के लिए स्क्रीन शेयर ऑफ करें ना, फिर क्या पता अपलोड स्पीड की वजह से ऐसा हो रहा हो.
possible. Just checking on. Yes, the speed is a little slow at present. Even the speed test website is not opening at present. I'm just trying to figure out.
यस सर इस तरह ठीक आ रही है.
Okay, let me just check. Anyway, I'm just checking on my speed at present. Maybe my ISP is not giving me that much speed at present. There is a speed issue at present. Okay, let me just check on. Yes, the download speed is just limited to 5.6, not more than 7, I guess. So that's why the voice quality is a little reduced at present. I don't know why. My device is still working fine. It's still placed at a very good position. It's a 4G connection. The upload speed is good, but I don't know why the download speed is not good at present. In fact, I have to upload it, so it should be good. It's coming out to be 10 or something. Okay, I hope I have just asked, made it. I'm just sharing this PCB, sorry, the screen again over here. Okay, okay, I have just shared my screen again.
Excuse me, sir. I have emailed you the my work at your aslan@rahim@uit ID. So please, if you would recheck my work and see if it is acceptable or not.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. I will just check it out. Okay. Just wait. I'm just going to download the. Just wait for it. I'm downloading the file given by just over here. Yes, I have got this one. Don't worry, all this activity is being recorded, screen recorded over here. I don't know why. I still have not got any email from you, beta. If you're listening to me, I have still not got. I have only got one email at 12:48.
Sir, the ID you are using on MS Teams. The ID you are using.
The same
on MS
ID.
Teams.
I'm using the same ID, beta. I have opened the same ID.
So Arsalan Rahim at UET.
Arsalan A Rahim.
Okay, I'll just send it. I'll send it to you again. Continue, please.
Okay. Okay, I'm just going to share it again, so I hope the speed is a little good. Please send me again the file. I will have a look at it afterwards also. So what I am actually asking over here is this, that what are the problems associated with each student, and almost all the students will be having the same issues over there. So I will be just discussing 3 or 4 more of them, and then we will go on towards the second assignment being given to you. And for those who are still late and not submitted it, even if you want to have some partial grading, please submit it by today 12 in the evening, so that you have at least some marks out of it. Let me just discuss 3 or 4 of those more PCBs, and then we can move on towards the third one. This session is very important actually. Those who are saying it's actually a wastage of time, it's not a wastage of time. In fact, I have only got up till now 88 or 90 over here, so this means certainly there is some issues which are being done. Okay, roll number 112, Faik Irfan. I am opening your PCB at present. The PCB design. Let me just
सर स्क्रीन शेयर कर लीजिए.
जी जी बिल्कुल. Okay, so I have the PCB in front of me. The PCB, okay. Roll number 112, Faik Irfan. Your PCB, the worst of the worst is this, that again these tracks are very close. You have not used the right 7-segment library. This is the wrong 7-segment library. You won't find this size of 7 segments at Hall Road. Even if you will find it out, maybe they are not having the matching size over there. So this is one issue. Plus you can see over here this 1 2 3 4 5 6, these are very close to each other, so this is certainly not the one. This area which we have used over here as the fill area is okay. This is a nice practice over here, but sorry, the size dimensions may be a little large over here. Let me just check the size dimensions. This is almost 120 here, and if I move this one over here, this is almost 99. So you are just within the limits, but again you have a lot of junk area. I just told you, this area which I am giving a rectangular shape, this is a lot of mess over here. The models you have used for the 7 segment are not correct, and this area also has a lot of tracks very close to each other. So please rectify this and submit it again. Faik Irfan, sorry for this problem. And again, I will just see 3 or more 4 assignments over here. Okay, roll number 1, Faria Fahim. Okay, I think so. Again, the PCB has a lot of contentions. You can see this track and this track, you have just submitted it without any doing manual routing or taking out the problems. You have a lot of issues. Again, you have made it very orthogonal. Still, they are not 90% orthogonal, but you can make them far apart from each here very easily. So you are having this issue over here of this tracks over here. Plus, again, the same issue of this one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. You have made it very close to each other. Maybe if this PCB was going to be done by some machine or some laser printing, then certainly maybe this can work, but this is not going to be handmade very easily. Plus, one issue, you have not made this 7 segments close to each other. There is still a spacing which is not allowed. This track over here on which my mouse is hovering, this is very close to the pad over here. And the size limitation, yes, the size limitation is also there. So this is 140 mm by what is the size over here? This is approximately 90, or I guess this is 93. So this size, the length is beyond the idea. And this area again over here, this area is again a junk. This area is also a junk, plus the contentions are also already there. So this is a total wastage. Please submit it again, the assignment, roll number 1. And if I go on towards some other more over here, roll number 56, Amina Tahseen. Let me just open it over here. Okay, this is totally again wrong. You have used the track size of just 0.254 mm. So this is not acceptable. I told you previously that your size should be at least 0.7 or 0.8 over here. So it should be 0.7 mm. So you can see you have not made it 0.7. And one thing very important, those of you who are still lagging behind, when you get this green color, actually sorry for this one, when you are going to get this green color over here, this means that you are violating some rule. Now when you want to actually extend or change a rule, go to design, go on rules, and in this rule you will see over here where there is routing in the width section. In the width you have the bottom layer, you have minimum width of 0.254, preferred 0.254, maximum. So the rules category, first of all, change this to the maximum width of 0.8. Preferred size is your like 0.7, just supposingly you want to move on with this 0.7, and minimum, maybe in some cases you want to allow it for having something 0.7 or maybe 0.65. 0.65 is still okay. You just click apply, and now you will see this green color will be totally gone. And now this green color on this dark line which I have made is okay, but everything is now green. So this is actually telling you that you have a problem. So your tracks are not good, beta. Your tracks are not good. Plus there is no need of जी बेटा
मैंने ना अपनी तरफ से ना चेंज किया था वहाँ पे जाके सेटिंग से कि टाइम मतलब कि इनकी ट्रैक्स की विड्थ अकॉर्डिंग टू द मैनुअल, ठीक है, लेकिन फिर जब मैंने बना लिया मैनुअल रूटिंग कर ली उसके बाद मैंने चेक की तो वो चेंज नहीं हुई थी। तो मतलब फिर मैंने सिलेक्ट ऑल करके चेंज किया तो फिर सारी कंटेंशंस आ गई थी और सारा सर्किट इसी तरह ग्रीन हो गया था। तो फिर I had no other choice other than to submit it like this.
नहीं बेटा, this is not the way. You have to actually, I told you, you have to change it by the design rules over here, the first thing. And if you want to actually, let me one more thing actually I want to add over here. If you want to find out, supposingly, go to workspace panel, go to PCB here, and you see, go to view, go to workspace panel, go to PCB, and go to PCB filter. Now here I want to select all something that is a track and that is the blue color or the bottom layer. So what I will do over here, just see builder, go to object kind is, this is actually again just like a coding type of a thing. If you are doing coding in this semester, you will be having an idea that object kind is track and exists on layer bottom layer. So what this will do, when I will make it okay, also this will apply it, you can see all the tracks, all the tracks are selected. Okay? Now with the one delete button, I can cut this, or I can just let me just, okay, sorry. It's not working actually. Still not working. I don't know what you have done to your file over here. This is existing on the layer. This is not cutting. But anyway, you can have this one over here by unroute all nets. You can see gone. So even if you had a green one, instead of having this PCB filter and builder using it, you can use this tool, unroute all. So all the tracks that were done manually or something, they will be vanished. Now you can again auto route it. Okay, I'm not going to use that one. You have to plus the size is still okay, but you have not taken that file over here. You can see the width is not good. The VCC tracks are not thicker over there, so you have to submit it again. Okay, better. So first of all, everyone, please, whenever you are going to auto route it, please make this rules change from the rules category, the bottom layer. If you are working on 2 layers, then certainly you have to change to the top layer also. But over here, this is one. I will just think 2 or 3 more over here. Let me just take this roll number 65, Haris Tariq over here. Haris Tariq. Okay, okay. This is even more bigger than that. Okay, one roll number, 100. Sorry, 65 roll number. Your size is 160 mm. You have 128 mm. So this is even beyond the size which we have given to you. Plus, what's the use of this area? What's the use of this area in which my rectangle is present? When you are just going to confine your circuit over here, and you can see they are very, very close to each other. Plus, you have made it orthogonal cuts over here, and plus why this is red color. Okay? Plus the dip library which you have used is totally wrong. This is not dip library, please. This is not dip library. Roll number 65 is G.
सर रोल नंबर 62 और 57 कह रहे हैं कि आप हमारा एक बार चेक कर दें.
ओके ओके
चैट बॉक्स में कह रहे हैं.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. So roll number 65, Haris Tariq, if you are here, please, you have a lot of contentions also. You don't have placed any vias over here. The red colors is the top layer. You don't have to use it. You have still contentions over here, and the size is totally unacceptable. This is totally unacceptable. You have to make this again over there. So this is not over there. Okay, you asked for roll number 57. Let me just check it on. Where is roll number 57? Roll number 57. I still don't have it. If roll number 57 is submitted after 1 p.m., it's not in this list. Please confirm me if roll number 57 has submitted it after 1 p.m. It's not in this list.
Yes, sir. About 1-6.
No, it's not in this list. You are late.
Kindly check roll number 72. I submitted it before 1 p.m.
Okay. I will check it out. Roll number 72. I still can't find your roll number here in this list.
Sir, 62.
62. Okay. 60.
Sir, bottom.
Okay.
At the very bottom.
At the very bottom, it's not there. 62. Okay, Abdullah Senpai, I have your file with me. The file is here. Okay, the size is very good. It's just 80 mm by 87 mm. Okay, you have used LM7805, the wrong library. You have used actually a heatsink over there. So if you have used it, it's still okay. No issues with that over there. Avoid this zigzag a lot, because see, you have placed a zigzag here, everywhere. There's a zigzag over there. The size is good. The size of the PCB is extraordinarily good, but the number of vias are very, very large. This is one via here, another via 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 8 or 4, 12, and then 12, and this 8 again, 20. But anyway, the size is good. The tracks are very, very close, but still they are acceptable if they can be made. One shortcoming is there is this, that the 7805 regulator, this has not made a large, dark, the rectangular shape color, or the fill area is not used over here. So this is one issue we have not used over here. Otherwise, the IC and all that stuff, pin number 3 and pin number 5, yes, this is connected over there. There's no issue over there. And the names you have made in top layer also, and that one still okay, relatively okay. The size is relatively good over there. Good. Well, so just check that fill area, increase that fill area wherever that current is over there. The size is extraordinary. In fact, this is the smallest size I have seen up till now. Okay. Achha, one thing very important, next time please, whenever you are submitting your assignment, your normal technique is this, that your roll number dash double the session dash double E dash your roll number dash your name. This is the normal technique. Please do not avoid it, so that we can actually make them in sequence or ascending or descending order. Let me just check it out. Shiza Khalid, your name is not correct, but anyway, this is Volvo 108. I will just opening your file. Okay, this is again wrong. This is still not correct. What you have done over here, the pad size is not 2 mm. This is very important. This is 1.5 mm. You cannot use this one. This is not going to be acceptable. Now, somehow, if you have made all the tracks on this PCB, or sorry, all the pads as 1.5 mm, and you want to do them in one click instead of going on every pad and then clicking on it and then you are going to do it in this PCB filter, go on builder. Object kind is click on pad, okay, and this will click OK, and when you will click apply, you have all the pads highlighted, all the pads are selected. Now you don't have to go manually on this one. Click on view, click on workspace panel, click on PCB, and then go on PCB inspector. Now when you have selected it, all the pads are already selected. You want to change the size of the hole, make the size of the hole as 0.75 mm and the X size as 2 mm. Sorry, this is 2 mm. And then you want to change the size to 2 mm. So now you will just press enter and all the size are changed to. Now by changing them to 2 mm, now you can see all the tracks are now, all the pads are 2 mm. But since the size has increased, the tracks are now very close to each other, so that's why they're having a contention. Plus this PCB already has contention, so this is not acceptable. The size is even beyond that what is required. This is 143 mm. So roll number 108, you have not even added your name over there. One thing very important.
Sir, 72, please.
I will come on to it. So this area have a lot of junk over there. This is a vacant space. This is also a vacant space. What's the use of extending it if you can just make it something like this? So you have just reduced it by like 7 or 8 mm already. Plus this resistor can be placed here, this resistor can be placed here, and you can reduce the size over here. Plus already there are so many contentions over there. So my task would be, the first thing, if I have this PCB, unroute all. So in this way, first of all, place them in such a way then you can actually do it. So one thing very important, please correct it over here and resubmit this PCB file. Okay? And I will just take 2 more PCBs over here from this lot. Let me just go to this roll number 177, someone from section D.
72 is आपके इनके प्लेस करते हैं मेरे से.
But 72 मेरी लिस्ट में नहीं है अभी तक मेरे ख्याल में. I can't find that 72 list in my list. If you have submitted late, it's not in that list.
सर है आपके 8 o'clock कल रात को उसमें है.
सारी तो लिस्ट में है 72 और सर 57 रोल नंबर क्या है कि मेरा लैपटॉप का इशू था, इस वजह से मैं नहीं कर सकता जल्दी, तो वो इस दफा एक्सेप्ट कर लें.
वो देखा जाएगा बाद में.
सर ये लास्ट पे देखें, 72 लास्ट पे है.
Yes,
फिलहाल सदीक.
ठीक है. Okay, I will just come to 177 afterwards. 72 is there. Okay, 75 mm by 93 mm. The size is very good, perfect over there. One problem, the VCC line from this one to this area, there is no fill area added over there. This should be a thicker line because it's going to handle a lot of current. This track is very, very close over here where mouse is hovering, and this seems okay overall. This one is very, very close. When you have space, you can take this a little far apart. Please, one thing very important, this is very important that you take this very far apart from each other. Again here, what you can see, if I just zoom in over there, what problem you have created over here, Bilal. This one, take it straight and then take it on the other side. See, now they are very far from each other. So there is no problem even if you had to use some marker or some other thing when you are going to use toner transfer method or even any other method. Plus this is wrong. You cannot place a jumper wire from one leg to this one. If you want to do this stuff over there, please change it first of all to this one. Bring a track from here to this point, and then use this over here at this point. Do not use this one. This one is wrong. This one is also wrong. This one is wrong. So you can now have another pad over here, make it 2 mm, and then increase this one to this one. So in this way you have to make it 2 mm over here, so that please only the pads or the vias which you are actually moving it, they can only be away from the devices. You cannot have it. Again, this problem is again over here. You can see this pad and this pad. These are resistors holes. You cannot put a wire over there. Okay? So you will have to bring this wire somewhat here and then over here. So one thing very important, why this resistor has been placed upside down. While we have placed it up, so you can take it up and you can have a jumper wire from RH1 wherever it is going. Otherwise it's going to create problems for you. So this PCB has a lot of problems over here still, and as you can see over here under this bit switch also, the congestion is a lot. You cannot have this 2 vias over here just below it. This is very close. You can see the 2 pads are very close. This pad, 2 pads are very close, then these 2 pads are very close. So please rectify these mistakes over there. Overall the size is good, and please increase the size of these names. This is very important. Please at least make the size equal to something 2.5 mm, and even if it is like 19B, the group name, please make it 2 mm or 2.5 mm. 2 to 2.5 mm is the minimum size over here for the names and all thing, and they should be in bottom layer. This is very important. They should be in bottom layer because they have to be printed from the printers on the PCB whenever the PCB. The red wires over here, which are actually the top layer, in this case they are only going to be placed by you when you are going to have a jumper wires. The heatsink is not attached over there, no issues. Heatsink is still good. The LED is there, the resistor is there, well and good. The PCB block connectors have it over here.
Yes, sir.
GG. Ji beta, if you have anything, please speak. Okay, roll number 177. This is a totally broken PCB again. Ji beta. Please avoid these zigzags over here. Again, this is a very large size PCB. Please take it straight lines over there. You have a lot of contention still over here. You can see the area is totally empty. I don't know why you have made this area very large over here. Let me just zoom in. This area, why you have placed it. The size of the PCB is 189 mm by 118 or 119 mm. So this is very large PCB. Please change this PCB and do it again. This is totally wrong. I will just take. हाँ जी बेटा.
सर ये रोल नंबर 70 कह रहा है कि मैंने एक और बच्चे का भी नाम रामिश के नाम से देखा है, मेरा नाम भी रामिश है, तो एक बार बस चेक कर लेंगे, मेरा लिस्ट में है, और रोल नंबर 63 और 66 कह रहे हैं कि हमारा भी एक बार चेक कर दें.
रोल नंबर 70 is Ramesh Javed is there. Roll number 70 Ramesh Javed is there. Roll number 63 you are asking. Okay, I will open this file over here. Roll number
66.
60?
63 and 66.
Okay, the size is okay, but the pad size are not okay. You have seen you have used a pad of via size of 1.524, so certainly this is not okay. All size you have to change it again, so I will be making it again just like the Sims use builder. Object kind is pad, and then you click apply, and then you click on PCB instructor. You have to change it to 2 mm. Sorry, this is 2 mm. This is going to be 2 mm, and now you can see you have a lot of contentions coming on. Why? Because the tracks were very close to each other. Plus you have quite a lot of vacant area, so you have not used the fill area also very well. So again, as I told you from the very start, you don't have to use this. These are very close tracks. You cannot place a track so close to each other. This is very, very close. This is almost touching it. This is almost touching it, so you can't use it. And again, you can see they are very, very close, so there are a lot of contentions still over there. The vias which we have used, please remember, the vias are actually the pads which are through hole, which are going to take the conductor or the track from one layer to another layer. So when you are going to select in the PCB filter, here is pad or is via. So whenever you want to change both, you have to select both over there. Now the both are selected. Now in this case, you can actually change the size or whatever you are going to talk about it over there, or whatever the case may be. Okay. So this one has a lot of issues again over there. Please correct this one. What was the other number, beta, you were asking me? 63 was done.
Sir, 66.
66 roll number. Let me check on which is.
Sir 31 पे check कर लेगा.
Okay. 63. Please turn off your mic, beta. You are having a lot of background voice. 63, beta. If you have submitted after 1 p.m., it's not in this list, beta. 63. If you have submitted after 1 p.m., okay. I got 60.
Sir, 63 हो, 66.
Okay, sorry, 66. 66 is not there. That is a little difficult one. No, beta, 66 is not there. I hope so. I think so. You have submitted after 1 p.m. You have submitted.
Sir, 60 check कर दें.
So certainly 60. Okay, Kashaf Abdullah, roll number 60. I don't know. This is Kashaf or Kashif. Okay. The PCB size seems okay, 97 by 78, but again the VCC tracks are not on the higher side. This is quite large over here. Please turn off your mic, whoever mic is on at present. The PCB tracks here are very, very close. They are almost just close to the VCC tracks over here. So please avoid it. And I told you as before also that please avoid this. You can make this one something like this. Also, you don't need to go like down and then you can make a little bend over here and then you can do it. Plus, since over here these four are all connected with the ground, you don't need to connect something like this. This is only a very simple thing. You can attach a, now this is since connected with both. I can make this one over here like this. So in this way you are actually saving the ferric chloride solution in which you are actually going to have it. Overall the vias seems okay, not that much, but these number of vias are very large. You have vacant space over here. Please use that vacant space, and aesthetically the vias should be, if they are there, they should be very small in number. Even if they are, they should be under the 7 segments over here, because 7 segments you are going to put them on female headers, and then on the female headers you are going to put them over there. So you can have vias connected below the 7 segments also. This spacing between the second and the third segment is also there, so this is not right over there. The vias are quite large. The name line, as I told you, this should be at least 2.5 mm, and everything should be 2.5 mm. This is the height of it. The width should be at least 0.4 mm. So this is at least printable, because when you are taking it printable size, so you have to make it at least 2.5 mm, and 2.4 mm is the thickness over here. This is very important so that it's legible even on the PCB. Otherwise, this is going to be a very small thickness over there. Okay. So I hope this is all for this PCB. It has problems, but overall the size is good. So the vias are very large, or the jumpers are very large in number. So avoid it. Someone just told me roll number 31.
Yes, sir.
31. This is just the last PCB I am administering. Afterwards, then I'm going to go on towards the second assignment, and this is okay. So what you have done over here, you have placed an object at very, very far distance. This is 119 by 94, still within the limits, but again the pads are not correct, beta. The pads are not correct. You can see the pads are of just 1.5 mm size. I can just tell it by, yes, this is 1.5 mm. Make them 2 mm. Plus you can see this track, when it is going down, you have to make this track a little far away from the pads over here. So this is like this over here. Okay, so overall the PCB, okay, you have again done, you have placed something very far away, so that's why it's actually zoomed out. The VCC tracks have not been placed. The this area again over here on the top at this point, this is again vacant. This is a total vacant area. Please remember, the copper is quite expensive, so it should be very small. The vacant area should be very small. Again, the size of this name and the roll number plus the group name. Three things required on your each PCB: name, your roll number, and your group name. This should be, as I told you, should be 2 mm, 2.5 mm, and this should be 0.4 mm. So this is very important that this should be at least this much thickness so that it can be printed easily. Plus you have to make it mirror or unmirrored. We will talk about it later on when we will be actually making this PCB over here. Achha, one thing very important, we will discuss that with Mr. Bilal over here afterwards when I have we have submitted all the first assignment. I will select one PCB from one or two PCBs from this total of 170 students over here. You will again submit me this all PCBs who have done it. Those who have submitted it just now before 1 p.m. and they are correct, we will mark them out of the whole 10 out of 10 marks. But those who are going to submit it late, even beyond that, they are going to be penalized a little. So those two PCBs which I am going to select in the next week, I will make them physically and I will bring it for you. I will show you that physically pictures as well by toner transfer method and by UV light method, both over here. Meanwhile, the next thing which is going to be your next week's works over here will be that you will have to move on towards the second assignment. That is the yellow dot matrix over here. That is actually experiment number 3. Now you did not do this experiment, all of the sections over here on the Vero board. So this will be difficult for you overall if you have not done on the Vero board, but since you have to make the PCB over here. Now when you have to make the PCB, as you can see, this time you have two transistors over there. One transistor is 2N3904, the other transistor is 2SA684. You have to attach this dip switches again over here. You have to attach block connectors. For those who are still on the problem that where are the block connectors libraries, if you go to my page ep.ng.com.pk and go to your electrical and electronics workshop, all these are available. The main LTM software library is available. You can download it. It was not accessible in the first few days. I made it as accessible afterwards. I guess Sir Bilal has also given them on your website, so you can use them. The transistor library is here. You can use the TO92 packaging for both of the transistors in this third assignment. Then you have the PCB block connector library and the yellow dot matrix library. Now when you are going to use this yellow dot matrix library, be very careful this time, because supposedly this is the same file I was actually doing it in front of you last week. Now if I want to use that yellow dot matrix, I hope it is installed in my already. Let me just check on. This is yellow and dot matrix. So now this is the yellow or green dot matrix over here. When I will click OK, I will have this library since it's already installed over here. And if I place it over here, I'm just turning it upside down by the space bar. And okay, I don't need actually the second one. That's placed wrongly. I will just click delete. And I will just, one thing very important, those who are fond of using these shortcuts, even if you don't want to use this zoom in, zoom out feature, you can use page up and page down. Okay, these are small tricks you will come to know afterwards when you are going to make this software a habit of yourself. And now I want to actually redefine the board shape. So since the black area is small, that is actually the board shape over here. So I will reshape it and I will give the 4 margins over here. So this is going to be, so you can see now my yellow dot matrix is here. Now when the yellow dot matrix, I will just zoom in over there. You can see this is pin number 1, 2, 3. Now as I told you, if you remember your first class over there, I told you this experiment number 3, the marking is here. The marking on yellow dot matrix is here. So this is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now physically you can't see the distance in between them in this picture, but practically there is a distance, and you are going to buy this yellow dot matrix from Hall Road, or even if you have it. This is pin number 1, pin number 2, since this is facing towards me. So this is pin number 1, pin number 2, pin number 3, pin number 4. I hope everyone can see the mouse. So this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the bottom one, these are the 8 pins, and then here this is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is the way in which you are going to have those 16 pins over here, and you are going to connect with each pin. This is with each column pin, which is over here, the pin number 16. With each 16, 2, 14, 4, 12, 6, 10, and 8, you are going to connect this transistor collector over here, that is 2SA684, and then the base of this transistor is going to go towards this dip switch over there. And with this dip switch, one thing very important, with this dip switch you have to place this male header just a little bit away from it. By what I mean by this over here is this, that if I open my this software over here, and if I want to go to again place components, and I want to have a dip library, supposedly I want to have a dip dual inline package, supposedly that is dip let me just say, it takes a time a little for the dip 8, sorry for this one, this is always coming up again and again. This is dip 16. So when you are going to place this dip 16, I will just take it like this one, and I have just one. Now I will this time go in the miscellaneous connector library. I told you previously also, for those who have been messaging me, please, one thing, if you have any questions, write down. If you want to ask something in a personal window, ask me through the chat section of the MS Teams, or you can email me out. Please do not write in the comment section, because that's a big line and it's very difficult to actually answer on over there. So if you have any questions, if you want to ask me globally, then you can ask me through Sir Bilal or something like that. Now we have to use this 8-pin connector. So this is the male header over here, and this male header, I will just press the space bar, and this is going to be placed over here. At least have this much spacing between these two, because when dip is going to be placed and then this male header is going to be placed, they have to have some spacing, because there is going to be some connector over there. So when you are going to place this connector, or you are going to place another connector over here at this dip switch, you have to take care that there is some spacing over there. Plus the ULN2803 IC, this is an 18-pin IC. So when you are going to go towards the place component, and you want to actually go towards again the dip library, this dip library can be found out. Let me just go on towards that dip. Actually I have just missed it again. So this is dip dual inline packaging. So here, from here, you are going to get that dip 18. So dip 18 is here. This is an 18 pin spacing, 18 pin, sorry, row spacing, and I have this one, the ULN2803. Please remember, you are not using SMT component still. This is the second PCB, and again please remember, the track size has to be 0.7 or 0.8 mm, and this PCB should be made in such a way that this track over here, please remember, this track over here, this one, from this transistor to this pin number 1, or sorry, pin number 16 to 14, 4, 12, 6, 10 and 8, they should be of larger width. This is very important. They should be of larger width, so that they can current is large over here in this area. Otherwise overall, and this pins over here, in which you are going to have a 10 to 33 ohm resistor, you are going to make these tracks not that big, but at least so much big so you can have a little lesser than, if I go by the size value, they should be at least 0.9 or 0.8 mm, at least they should be something like this, so that they can have the current flowing through them. The last thing, very important, the regulator and the transistor and the the regulator and the capacitor are already going to be there. Block connectors are already going to be there. Please make this pins or the areas rectangular. Don't just make it circular shaped over there. The ground pin of this IC, this is very important, ULN2803, the ground pin, when this is going to be connected with this block connector, and this is connected with this regulator ground pin, this track should be at least 1 mm plus. Why? Because this ground is going to take all the currents from all the transistors and all the transistors, or the the dot matrix over here. and please strictly keep it for the yellow dot matrix over there. Those of you who don't have the yellow dot matrix, don't worry on that part. We will solve this problem afterwards if the university opens before Eid or after Eid, so we have time. So we will design all the PCBs before the in this ODL classes, and then afterwards we will move on towards the uh, PCB manufacturing at after the thing, because the feedback from you people have been a little difficult, so that's why I have made it that we will make all the PCBs before in this class sessions over there. If you have any questions, you can just chat me in the MS Teams window. You can mail me at my Gmail account or my UET account. Gmail is a little faster, UET it's actually not accessible from other side. So this is very important. So this is your second assignment over here for the LTM software. You have to design this PCB. The size dimensions are again 120 by 100 mm. So please stick on to this one. The PCB, the model libraries are already there. You don't need anyone special. You just need this yellow green dot matrix library. The rest of the things are very simple over there. And for the first assignment, please resubmit those on there. Out of these 88 assignments, those who are correct, Sir Bilal will actually notify it by today evening. The rest of them, please submit it again over there so that you can be actually move on towards the second assignment, that is the yellow dot matrix over there.
सर जिनकी कुछ थोड़ी थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं तो वो भी रेक्टिफाई करके
जी जी बिल्कुल, you have to actually rectify all the problems over here. So this is very important because these PCBs are going to be physically made by you. So आप इसको छोड़ नहीं सकते हैं कि अच्छा हाँ यार एक काम हो गया है, then we can actually move on towards the other over here. So this is very very important that you can actually move on towards the other PCB before you can move on. So if there is any question more, please ask me.
Excuse me, sir.
जी
सर अगर लेक्चर खत्म हो गया तो मैंने पूछना था कि जो आपने सबसे पहले पीसीबी देखा था 73 वाला, आपने कहा था उसमें नेट्स की प्रॉब्लम है कोई, तो उसमें कोई कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम है तो वो एक दफा बता दें.
Okay, I will just go 73. I'm just opening. Please, this lecture is being recorded, so don't worry. The tracks are very good. The VCC has been good. Overall, it's a good one. I guess this I can make this one as one of the best ones or the top 5 ones. This area is a little congested.
सर नहीं, कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम्स है कोई, सबसे पहले आपने चेक किया तो वो बता दें क्या कनेक्शन प्रॉब्लम्स है.
Connection problems, let me just verify it on. I think not in this PCB. I have not told anything something like this. Overall, it seems okay. Just maybe the VCC tracks which you are having it over there. This is all still okay. Connection problems, I don't think so. The capacitor is also there. The capacitor size is a little small. Please, I will share the capacitor sizes with Sir Bilal.
6 into 5.
Practically, when you are going to have a capacitor of maybe like 100 microfarad or something like that, the size is not going to be this one. The size is not going to be 6.3 by 5 mm. It will be a little larger. Okay, these are sizes for I guess 1 microfarad or like 4.7 microfarad capacitors. If you are something in the range of 10 volts.
लेकिन यहाँ पे हमने सिर्फ 10 माइक्रोफैराड.
Practically it should be a larger one. ज़्यादा बड़ा लगाने का नुकसान भी है, लेकिन ज़्यादा छोटा लगाने का ज़्यादा नुकसान है, इसलिए at least have at least 47 microfarad plus capacitor at least over there. Overall the PCB seems fine, not much problem over here. Just I told over here at the very start that कि यहाँ पे आपके पास ना congestion बहुत ज़्यादा है इस area के अंदर. This is a little bit large congestion. Otherwise this is okay. If you can make it, well and good, no issues over there. You can make this one track a little away. ये इसमें you can make this one over here like this, so it's not close to the pins. This is very important that the pins are not close to each other, so that's in this way have it over there. Plus I asked in the very start also कि जी आप इसको you can make it this rectangular so that when you get it a heat over there by the soldering iron, they don't actually, the names are good, the names have been mirrored, the dimensions are there, the dip switches are also there, the headers over here, these are 4 here, and the next 4 headers. So they are separate, but anyway, no issues on that one. They're still okay. This is a little extra area. This is a little wastage area. But overall, since this is within limits, I can take it, this PCB as complete and submit it overall. Unless and until you want to do any other changes yourself over here. जी बेटा.
Okay.
Sir, are you going to inform those students whose PCBs are not completed or
we will do it. We will do it. The list is quite large. I guess after 1 p.m. Some students have been submitting it during this lecture. Please listen. This was very important. So you can see after 106, this was the last. Actually, in fact 108 was the last PCB. If you are seeing this screen over there. Muawiyah Adil, you have not submitted me the roll number over there. This was the last PCB. Then afterwards, from this 1:11 p.m. time, Filza Shahid, H.A. Shakur, Uzair Ahmed, I got no, you are scholar of games, but your name should be much beautiful than the scholar of games. Then you have Abbas Ali, then you have Kamar Ahmed, then you have Hayatan Abro, you have Rimsha Parvez, you have Shahzad Akhtar, Mohammad Shahid, Ego, please, I know you have a little ego problem, but at least you have some name over here. You can write in the brackets an ego name, so I can remember it every time. So Harisa, Shahid, Zaman Ali, Hamna Aslam.
Excuse me, sir.
जी.
अरे जिनके एरर्स आ गए इनके लिए भी डेडलाइन आज ही है.
जी बिल्कुल उनके लिए आज ही है. You have to submit it by 12 o'clock today, and maybe if you can submit it, I can not deduct any marks from it. So maybe you can go on with this one also. So please submit it before over there. And one thing very important, even if you are submitting it in this Google form over there which has been given, you have to submit all the files inside these 3 folders. I hope so Mr. Bilal must have told you on this one that these 3 should be in accordance, and they should be made in such a way that your roll number first, then dash, and then your name over there. Please avoid these names such as Ego or Scholar of Games and all that stuff over there. This makes a little difficult for us to actually, and there was one roll number also. In fact, there was one student, I told you in the very start also, who has submitted a doc file. Please, again, this is roll number 23, Sonu Gujjar. Please give me your full name. This is very important. You have not submitted me the PCB doc. So you can see this recording has been. जी बेटा बताइए.
For those of us जिनकी आपने अभी तक चेक नहीं किए, if there's any problem, when will they be like informed?
Yes, we will. वो सर बिलाल आपको इन्फॉर्म करते हैं जैसे ही आपके पास आती हैं. लेकिन जिन लोगों ने 1 बजे के बाद की हैं, ये सेशन इसीलिए रखा गया है. We have done this session. Even if you have submitted and you think you have a problem, okay, even if you have submitted and you think the problems which I have pointed out, you think you have missed them and you are having issues with those PCB in your also, then resubmit it again. Okay, Sir Bilal will give you a shareable link again, or maybe he will return you these files again back, and you can have them again resubmitted it by today night over there. So since these are quite a large number of files, it's difficult for 1 person or 2 person to actually analyze them.
सर मैनुअल के अंदर ना मैंने पॉसिबल मिस्टेक बता दी थी, ये हो सकती हैं, और पूरी लिस्ट भी दी हुई है कि ये पॉसिबल मिस्टेक हैं. अगर वो उनको देख के रेक्टिफाई कर लें ना, तो सारे प्रॉब्लम दूर हो जाएंगे तकरीबन.
सर अगर हमने सबमिट करा दी है और यहाँ पे कोई 1-2 प्रॉब्लम्स है और हम रीसबमिट कराते हैं, तो क्या हमारी डिडक्शंस होंगी?
वो देखा जाएगा. मैंने आपको कह दिया ना, रात 12 बजे तक मैंने आपको बता दिया ना. जस्ट डू दिस फाइल्स, ठीक है, जस्ट डू दिस वन. सर बिलाल मेक अ स्मॉल, ये जो मेरे पास 88 आ चुकी हैं और उसके बाद अब कुछ और PCBs आई हैं मेरे पास. So we will have a word on this one. You can see I just did approximately how many PCBs I did just today. Just now I guess I went through, this was I guess from here to here.
104 आ गई हैं.
104 आ गई हैं. Approximately I did 18 PCBs. I opened 18 PCBs in front of you, 18 or 19 PCBs. So to see everything मुश्किल होगा, हर एक को response देना हमारे लिए मुश्किल है, लेकिन since I have told you the problems plus this video which I have just made over here while teaching you and my voice was also there, I have recorded it. I will be uploading it on the YouTube channel just now. It will take some time and it will be uploaded on the YouTube channel, so don't worry on that part over there. Those who even have missed it, I have taken the attendance just now, so don't need to actually have any. If anyone has an issue, you can contact Sir Bilal or me, and please get out of this. You don't have any internet or you don't have any laptop problems or whatever you have it. Please get out of it. It's now week number 3 now of this class, and now we want to accelerate the pace, because this is the second PCB, the through hole PCB, single layer. Then next time we will go on towards the 2-layer PCB, and I will then talk about all those stuff which we are going to do in the next week, that is going to be SMD as well. Then I will introduce to you, I will make a small camera over here and I will show you that what SMD resistances and capacitances and inductances they look like. And then when the university opens, all of these PCBs, they are actually made, designed up till that time, and then afterwards we can actually manufacture them in the lab very easily. Okay, ji? Any other questions from the students?
Sir, I have
Yes, sir, I have a question.
a
Ji,
question. Sir, is track size of 0.9 mm okay?
Is 0.9 mm for what? 0.9 mm for what?
Like all the track sizes, like my rotating sizes are all 0.9 mm.
Oh, it's okay, no problem. In fact, it's more than okay. Okay, no problem.
Okay.
I have a question,
And
sir.
sir, it's supposed to have like part size of around 1 point, which is it's a bit smaller than what you said, not a bit, but like not. So like, yeah, it's around. The via size is 1.27 mm.
No, that's wrong.
So,
You have to
like,
make it 2
does
mm.
this
No.
have to be-
All vias and all pads, they should be 2 mm size. All vias and all pads, the minimum size is 2 mm. If you want to make it more than that, it's well above to you. But 2 mm is the minimum size for the pads, because you are just beginners. You are going to make this PCB and drill it yourself afterwards. So your pad size of vias and the hole size of all the equipments or the through hole packages, they should be 2 mm. So this is very, very important that this is 2 mm over here.
Question, sir, question.
जी बेटा,
ये आप बता सकते हैं कि जब प्रोफेशनल किसी भी करते हैं तो उनको टाइट करने के लिए स्क्रूज की जरूरत होती है, और उन होल्स को क्या करते हैं, पैड्स या वायर्स?
नहीं, that is actually just a pad over here, and on that pad you have to actually screws are going to be mounted. Yes, certainly, because when you have to encapsulate this package in a PCB, so then you have to actually make it something. So this is very important that screws are also provided. But since this is just a very simple PCB, first PCB, then you have to, like supposedly you can see the sharing screen at present. I can just show you one small PCB in single layer. I hope everyone can see this PCB at present. Now if you can see over here on this PCB, I have not made any screws over here. If you are seeing this one, this is actually an internet IoT type of a circuit. Or if I can show you over here, this is a synchronous buck converter. This is a circuit over there. Now in this PCB, if you are seeing it or viewing it, this green color or this green color, this is because of the contention. These three are holes. So I have made this circular arc over here. This was the arc over here. I have made this one over here. So in this way, I have made this circular arc over here of mid-width, so that now I can drill through these holes and I can attach this PCB on some wooden cardboard or on some plastic or anywhere else wherever it is going to be placed and it's going to be connected with the circuit. So this is very important that screws are provided. But since this, you are not going to actually make this PCB and you are going to attach it. But if you want to attach it somewhere, maybe on a wall or something, then certainly you need some screw points as well. You will drill through those holes, but that can be done manually also. But if you want to mark it on the PCB, then you have to use this arcs over here. This arc is approximately a width of 1.5 mm. The radius is 1.2 mm. So you can see it's a lot thicker one. So that's why it's having a drill size over here. So you can apply that one over here. So it's totally up to you. You just have to give a marcation over here so that you can do it. Yes, beta, you can leave over here. So I can actually stop this recording. Let me just stop this recording. So this is still